Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. As I've said at the beginning of our Holy Eucharist, we celebrate today the feast of Our Lady of Lourdes. And our beloved Saint John Paul II declared that this day be also a world day of prayer for the sick. When we think of sickness, when we think of our own weakness, no one I would dare would say, I would like to be sick forever. Hindi naman natin nanaisin na sa buong panahon ng buhay natin mayroon tayong daladalang sakit. Gusto ba natin yon? Araw-araw tayong may lagnat, araw-araw tayong may ubo at sipon, araw-araw tayong walang panlasa, so on and so forth. We all wish that in the experience of weakness and healing, or of sickness and weakness, we all wish to heal. And the way for healing is but another question. We go to professionals, we consult them, they give us medicine, and that is very good. But I wish to propose one simple reflection and matter on how we can also face the experience of sickness to healing. How about checking on what comes out of our mouths? Isang malaking ambag din ng paghihilom ang lumalabas sa ating mga bibig. Today we've heard the beautiful stories from the first book of Kings, how the Queen of Sheba gave her assent, her admiration to Solomon's wisdom, to Solomon's actions, to Solomon's life. Her way of commendation gave strength, gave affirmation, and beautification to the ministry of Solomon as king. And this is the big reminder of Jesus himself in today's gospel, that not what comes out of us would defile, but what comes out from us defiles. Yung mga bagay na maiitim, mabibigat at makasalanan, ayan ang nakakapinsala pa at hindi nakakaambag sa paghihilom. We encounter sick brothers and sisters, sick because of their physicality, sick because of mental health sickness, sick because of the things that burden them every day, sick because of life. Ang masama, may sakit na nga, sila pa yung pagchichismisan natin. May sakit na nga, pagsasabihan pa ng masama. Pagdidiinan pa natin sa taong ito, may sakit ka, masama ka, may karamdaman ka. May sakit na nga, sila pa ang pinagpipiestahan natin ng mga masasamang bagay. And that comes out of us. Not healing them, but defiling and making sickness worse. What comes out of us may not be defiling, but be purifying, healing, and strengthening. Ayan nawa po ang isang maging magandang ambag sa paghihilom. Oo gamot, oo konsultasyon, kundi anumang bagay na lumalabas sa atin. And whatever comes out of us may be a way to healing and a way to experience the healing grace of God's goodness.